this wig is not moving like at all. Hey you guys, welcome back to Oh Darla.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't stop loving, since I got a taste of your love. Baby, come give me something, oh. God damn, you know who I am. Tried to be on the low.
Okay, just starting off showing you guys what we're starting with. A straight surface, straight hair, flat, whatever. Also, the mannequin head that I'm using, I bought it off Amazon. It was about $20 to $22. It came with hairpins and all. So with that being said, right now I'm just flat ironing the ends as well as cutting off the frizzy parts. I feel the back is the quickest part to get matted, so this is just my method to smooth it out. And these are the Flexi rods I'm using. Size does not matter in this case. I've just collected them over time and I use them all. And I'm starting with the front of my mannequin's hair and I'm just rolling up. And you want to make sure the Flexi rod is rolled towards the face of the mannequin. And I'll show that again. So you're starting at the end and you're rolling it inward.
When I look in the mirror, the only one there is me. Every freckle on my face is where it's supposed to be. And I know I created it and make no mistakes on me. My feet, my thighs, my lips, my eyes, I'm loving what.
Just a quick look into the bottom of the mannequin head. This is what holds the mannequin in place. It's a great tool for me. This is what your mannequin hair should look like. I use a total of 11 Flexi rods and I let it sit overnight. So I let the rods sit in overnight. I believe it was a total of 6 hours, and I will let you all know later on in the video that my curls did drop. But as you can see, these rods and synthetic hair definitely has potential. It's just all about the weather. The weather wasn't that great on this day.
It's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a mass deception. Something's gotta change.
This was my first time ever gluing a wig on, and I am in love, okay? So I did not lay my edges down with the Got2b glue. I just thought this was the perfect moment to let you all know that I glued my wig down with that product, which I definitely recommend. These curls are really cute. And y'all remember what it looked like before. So yeah, just give you a little
Keep your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone. I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.
And the weather, I know next time to, look at my weather app. As far as the weather, because when I woke up, it was like, a little moist in my house. So like soon as I took them Flexi rods down, they fell. You could always use the flat irons, but keep them at 400. I don't even want to try to turn them up because I don't want to damage this wig. So yeah, if your curls do fall, you can always, put them back in yourself. Okay, like I said, this is my first time using the Got2b glue. This stuff is real. It's tight, and I think I like this better because I be at work adjusting, I be on the bus adjusting, and it's cool to keep it real, but you don't want nobody to know you got a wig on, even if they can tell, you don't want them to see you adjusting your wig. So overall, like, I'm definitely a fan of the Got To Be glue. I probably wouldn't do the freeze spray because y'all know I'm trying to grow my edges. Go pee. Because y'all know I'm trying to grow my edges, so I'm going to pick one or the other. And so far, I like the glue. Definitely, like, it's sealed. No, it ain't perfect, but y'all know I'm gonna get the hang of it. But yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all got a lot out of it. And the tutorial for these nails will be right after this. Okay? They cute. Y'all like them? They cute. We got $50 wig and $10 nails. Come on now. Come on now. Budget? Can we say budget? Budget? Yes. But yeah, I think this is cute for what it is, you know? Yeah, a little on this Thursday morning. Okay, y'all. See you all soon.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me some.